How to add money from Apple Pay to CashApp. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add money from Apple Pay to CashApp. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add your money, firstly go ahead and open the wallet application on your iPhone. You cannot directly transfer money from Apple Pay to CashApp, but you can use Apple Pay to send money to your bank, and once the money is in your bank account, you can easily transfer it to the CashApp. So, once you have opened your wallet application, tap on the Apple Cash Card option. Further, tap the Options button. The Option button is basically the three horizontal dots inside of a circle. You can skip this step if you are using an iPad. Now, tap on the Transfer to Bank option. It has an arrow pointing to the right. Next, enter the amount and tap on Next. Type the amount that you want to send to your CashApp balance and further tap the option 1 to 3 business days. You can add a bank account at this step if you don't have one connected to your account yet. Finally, tap on the Transfer button and confirm the transfer. You will be asked to input your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. Remember that the transferred balance will appear in your bank account in 1 to 3 days. So, once the money has been added to your bank account, open CashApp on your iPhone or iPad. Now that the Apple Pay balance has been transferred to your bank account, you can add the amount to your CashApp account. So, go ahead and tap on the Money tab button. This is at the bottom of the CashApp homepage. Next, tap on the Add Cash option and further type in the amount you want to transfer. This should be the amount you transferred from your Apple Pay to your bank account. Finally, tap on the Add button and confirm the transfer. You will need to input your PIN or Touch ID to confirm the transfer from your bank to your CashApp. So, this is how you can add money from Apple Pay to CashApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shrines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.